Right, now we're going to start working on the cloth, on the clothes of our guy. Let me just jump in here and visualize him at the beginning, and then turn off these visualizers and the camera. We don't need to see that. What I'm going to do is build another geo here, and let's call this sorry, my voice is breaking. Hunter drape. So we're going to be setting up the drape of the hunter here. And the reason I'm doing building another geo here, I'm going to bring in the hunter again, but a different file, right? We go into my geo. I've got this hunter model FBX, and here, as you can see, is in T pose, which is much better for setting up the initial conditions for our clothes. Okay. It's kind of a common practice there. So yeah, we need to sort out the scale again. So he was at the correct scale already, so we just need to match that with this one. So if we just go in here, let's go to show all objects, transform, and then drop that, let's see, 0.1 to there, which looks fine. Okay. And then we need to go ahead and kind of split this up into different sections, right? Also, we need to place him in the correct position. So let's see, so at the time shift, use that one, I think. Yeah, so at frame 141, we want them to be kind of in the same place, okay, because we're going to merge between the two. So I'm just going to move him to where I need him to be, about there, a bit more. Oh, there's fine where their feet are lining up, right? What else? Let's see. So let's start splitting him up into different bits of geometry. So I'll just hide that off for the moment. And let's first grab his top, the shirt, which is fine. I'm just looking. Okay, yeah, I think we'll need to delete that. So yeah, any parts, any bits like this that are kind of capping off the ends, and yeah, the sleeves as well, we'll have to delete them. Okay, so well, first let me I'll make a group, call this top. Okay, and then we'll just have to delete these primitives on the inside there. I'll just do these ones first. Perfect. Let me see, do I want I don't think I want that bottom edge either, actually. Or maybe I'll be okay, I don't know. No, let's excuse me, let's delete that bottom edge as well. So I select these again, and then it was Shift and G to expand. There we go. So select from the top there, yeah. Okay, I'll just show you again. Select from the top. It's kind of some weird overlapping geometry, and then Shift and G will grab all this bit that's coming down and then up to this seam here. Okay, and then delete that. Cool. And then the sleeves as well. Let me, for this, click the eye here again, so we only grab the faces that we can see, primitives that we can see. Shift and select this, and then Shift and G again to expand this selection up to the end of the sleeve like that. And then we're just going to blast these also. Delete. There we go. Cool. Okay, so that's the shirt. What else? Let's name this split. Let's call it. Oh, it's not a shirt. Like jacket. Split top. What else? We want the trousers. Let's grab another split. Here the bottoms. We'll just call it bottoms. That's fine. Bottoms. And then again, yeah, we'll have to delete these because they'll, you know, they will be intersecting, obviously. So grab these. Make sure I'm not selecting anything else. And these two chunks at the bottom. There we go, delete them. Oops. Okay. I'm also going to, grab. So I'm just going to be simulating the actual trousers. So these extra bits and bobs, I'm not going to be simulating them, okay? So they don't have their own group. So if I just press 9 and I can grab them like this. Make sure you do it after this blast. Let's see. No, actually, we should do that again. It'll be cleaner this way if I select the trousers like this, because these are included in that group. So yeah, let's get rid of this here. Make that selection again based on the 3D geometry if I can. There we go. Press enter. There we go. We get just the trousers and not, whoops, the other bits and bobs. But we'll have to delete that again. So if I press 9 again, there we go. And then select the top, these two bits at the bottom, delete those, and give it a group as well. Same as before. What was it? Bottoms. Bottoms. Great. And let's see. I think that'll do us for now. Everything else that trails off we'll probably use again.